Hi, so for this week's tips and tricks, I wanted to talk about breathing. And this might sound really obvious, but you'd be surprised. When we get nervous or anxious or a little bit uncomfortable, our breath jumps up into our chest and becomes really shallow. And so when we're speaking with this kind of breath, it can become a little bit panicky, or we start talking really fast or rambling a little bit. And it's also really hard to listen to what other people are telling you when you're breathing like that. So next time, before you go into a meeting or before picking up the phone to have a difficult phone call, or even in the middle of one of these kind of conversations, just check in with yourself. Am I breathing? And take a nice big conscious deep breath right down into your belly, into your diaphragm. And I think you'll be surprised at how different it makes you feel. Give it a try.